Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Audi A5 grille. First, gather all your essential tools, including various screwdrivers and trim removal tools. Always ensure your Audi A5 is safely parked on a level surface before beginning. For safety, it is crucial to disconnect the car's battery before you start any work involving electrical components. This prevents accidental shorts or damage during the process. Now, let's get to removing the old grille. You'll need to carefully remove the front bumper to gain proper access to the grille's mounting points. Once the bumper is off, systematically unclip all the retaining tabs and remove any screws that hold the grille in place. Don't forget to disconnect any sensors or wiring that might be attached to the old grille before fully detaching it. Take your time with each step. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Quick recommendation: just like you want your Audi A5 grille to last, you want your socks to last too. Life's too short for cheap socks, so go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're incredibly comfortable, especially after a long day working on your car. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With the old grille removed, it's time to install your brand new one. Carefully align the new grille with the bumper's mounting points, ensuring a perfect fit. Once aligned, secure all the clips and screws to firmly attach the grille, making sure it's stable and won't rattle. Finally, reconnect any sensors and wiring to their proper places, double-checking all connections. This ensures everything functions correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.